If you want to connect your Sony WF-C710N into your Windows PC, then first of all you will have to start from inputting both earbuds inside this charging case, open that cover, and now just click and hold this button on the back. Then take a look on this indicator on the front and wait until it will start blinking blue. Just like this. Now we can release, keep that case open, put it close to your PC, and as you can see we even have that quick connection. So if you have the same one, just click connect, but if you don't have, go to the settings, go to the left side Bluetooth and devices. Now turn it on by clicking on the switcher, select add device and select Bluetooth. Then from available devices list, just select your Sony headphones. In my case the name is Bluetooth headset, so I'm gonna tap on them once with the left mouse button, and after a few seconds we should be successfully connected, and as you can see, yes, right now we are connected. And that's basically it.